Greenery, or simply the addition of greens to home interiors, is the kind of idea that always works beyond wonders, given not just the beauty benefits but also the health advantages too. Putting in greens to your indoor surroundings is the cheapest yet most effective approach to significantly better mental and physical health, overall wellness, reduced depression, improved productivity, and of course, the most delightful and timeless decor. Plus, it's the only interior decoration idea that will always present you with an incredibly pleasant activity to remain involved in, from taking care of your existing cute little garden to working on making new additions to it. Not to mention the perks of pocket-friendly, nearly free of cost and completely organic vegetation, herbs and even fruits, as well. And it's always great to begin doing this, plus never too late to do so. With that being said, let's go through a couple of super amazing ways of adding indoor gardening to your places along with all the essentials to consider. This video will be your precise aid for getting a fine interior adorned with greens, the ultimate stress buster for you. The right choices. Getting the adequate plants is of course the key factor to take care of. And this goes true for everything ranging from the one in the planters to those vines getting hung on the walls. Some of the most low-maintenance, cheap, and indestructible, in the context of no-brainer indoor planting plant options are Chinese evergreen, African violet, split-leaf philodendron, Austral gem fern, dumcane and waxplant. The greenest wall decor. If you don't want your indoor greenery to be consuming any of the space, opting for wall-mounted ones is the best option, or vining plants. You can find a number of great options in this regard. They are usually low maintenance and don't require a lot of sunlight as well, so any wall can be considered for their placement, and can be turned into a live green wall. Getting enough sunlight. If your bedroom or office desk, essentially the spots you're considering for adding greens, does not get direct sunlight, it's super crucial to only place your hands over those that can do fine with minimal, no natural light and/or maybe artificial light. Some great recommendations are pothos, Chinese evergreen, cast iron plant and bromeliad. Endless ways of upcycling. Indoor plantation and greenery addition provides the best opportunity to upcycle old and non-functional mugs, cups, bottles, glassware of literally any kind, and other containers that are not in use. Keeping up with the maintenance. Watering, fertilizers addition, and the mess created by these two procedures needs to be taken care of well and in timely ways. A great suggestion in this regard is to place cling wraps underneath all the planters to prevent staining and most importantly avoid over-drowning your plants.